Most people do renovations because they want to modernize the house. A lot of people, they have old wallpaper or just really old colors in the house. Old carpet looks disgusting. Even older laminate floors, everything looks dated. You give it a nice modern edge. Another thing is technology integration. Especially in the last 5 years, a lot of things have come on the market that really improves the house. And simply, let's just talk about lighting. Pot lights have always been popular, but they take up a lot of energy and they get pretty hot. Recently, these pot lights have been replaced by LED pot lights. They're like a fraction of the energy and don't really get hot. Next thing is enhanced comfort and really functionality of your house. When you bought your house, let's just say you had one washroom, but as your family grew bigger, you need another washroom, more space, a sunroom, larger living room. Nowadays, a lot of people like to open up their home and have kind of like an open concept. You see, many years ago, houses were built compartmentalized. They had a distinct living room, distinct dining room, distinct kitchen. Now, all these 3 rooms are now in an open concept. They're all combined into one big room. It's great for entertaining. It just opens everything up. All this does cost money, but you can justify this by everything that you do does increase the house value. And even the smallest things do also increase the house value. Research has been done. It shows that painting it increases the house value. And don't forget this, once you do the upgrade, you get to use it for 5-10 years and sell it. The value will be there. So renovations are definitely worth it.